You know, there is a sense of peace that one can find when sitting outside on a porch, watching the rain. I love this porch from the little house that we're renting until I find my permanent place where I hope to land. But the porch is wooden, surrounded by trees. I like the peace. Let me show you. Let me show you. Oh, the bear's in the house. He's heard the thunder and ran. So, listening to the rain. I have my juice. I love it. The porch is old. I have to wash it down. But surrounded by trees. Listening to the rain. This is awesome. Look at that. And this tree right here, I wonder what stories it said. Look at those limbs. Look how they twist and reach out. I love it. You take care. Don't forget to like and share the video. And subscribe. Trying to get to that 100 subscriber. Talk to you later. Bye.